Darling, darling and loved ones, darling and loved ones. How are you? How are you? My darling, my loved ones, I love you. You're the best in the world. Without you, there is no me. Gotta be attached together forever and ever. You see. Oh man. Yes, I'm gonna have some lunch. I feel a bit hungry. I'm gonna have some food here. I'm gonna eat right now. Got a plastic bag right here. And I don't know what you want to talk about. Who can be crazy more than me? You tell me, man. You tell me like a tell me like a tell me. Up it tell me. Up it tell me. I did a record for a couple of days, like for like a couple of days, that's like of a week now. I'm in a workout. That's a shame. You work out for like 3 weeks straight, and in a week you just boom, you don't work out, and then the shit started shrivel up back again. I just finished pulling up some iron just now to start back out again. You can't collapse all the way down. You don't old already, and I try to stay young, but I try to stay healthy and get the wrinkles out the way. Hallelujah. So how you doing, baby love? Wagwan, me big friends. Wagwan, me family. Wagwan, me loved ones. That love me, I love you too. Yeah, I love you too. No time for haters and betrayers like Judas. Sweet. It's a plum. And she look like a sugar in her. Like I said, some of these men, get up every day, and act like they have the world. Once you have the money and they have like money on their hand, they act like they have the world. And they find some woman think that they're rich. At the end of the day, they don't have nothing. It's better for a guy to be honest. And you know he doesn't have anything. Than somebody who pretend to have it all and they don't have nothing. So I don't like guys that are just worthless. Because I mean, if you don't have a lot of money, it's not a sin not to have a lot of money, okay? As long as you're a good person, you're a nice person, also, you know, metaphor, that's all really matters. You know? So looks so blue and sweet, so. Over, right? You know what I mean? Be yourself. If you like a woman, you like her. If she's just a gold digger, and she don't like you, or she think you should be doing better, and whatever, a woman is gonna like you once she like you, whether you're rich or whether you're poor. Well, there's some women out there just gold diggers. I mean, some women they just gold. It's all about what they can get all, and they want more and more and more. They buy them a house, they want another house. You can't even want more one house at one time. That's just greedy. But there are men out there who pretend that they have it all just to get close to a woman. And to me, that's stupidness. When you're a man, you ain't got such a good job. You're not making the amount of money and you choose to pick up a woman, that's another responsibility. When you pick up a woman, that's another responsibility that you have to take care of. She want to get her nails done. She want to get her hair done. She want to go and shop and buy clothes and all them things. Women they like to be spoiled. Women like to shop. Women like to get their hair done, get their center part, weave the wigs and shit, where they want to get their makeup glamorous and looking good, because these days it's all about glam. So when you're with a woman that into those kind of things, if you pick her up and have her as your woman, expect that those are the kind of things she like. If you meet a girl that don't like makeup, she wearing her natural hair, looking beautiful, and she's not into those kind of things, you know, when you get with her and be with her, because you get to know her well, how she is, you're not going to spend money on things like those. But you spend money on good clothes and so on. Good ear treatment for your ears, still can get her ear done naturally. Anyway, I take it to a woman, I feel look good. Whether she have the natural dreads, whether she just wash her ear, blow it out, you know, braid it up, whatever, twist it up. Women like men who are responsible. Alright? Women don't like men who just have like a money in their pocket and they're like, whoa, I could get her, you know, because she like money. And then they have like a money left, maybe a 10,000, like a 5,000, like a money, whatever. Some of them have like a 5,000, like a 10,000, woman want butt implant or breast job or whatever they want, and just take it and give the woman out of the last 10,000 when they have her 5,000, because they want to show the woman that they got it like that. When the woman start to roll them big time now, eating every day at a restaurant, drinking, you know what I mean, up and down, stop a hotel, book a hotel, here and there shop, the money run out. When you're running money right now, that's the time problems start. Right? Because she think this was a wealthy man. She never thinks to look up 5,000 or whatever I have. It don't spend up by the time she's paying 3,000, 4,000. Money done. And can't carry her to the big restaurant no more. And can't carry her go buy no clothes, no shoes, and act like a big timer like him a money man no more. Because all the money done. See, when the money done, that's when the fun done. That's when most women would say, no, me cut and me good, me leaving. Me not no time for so long when a broke ass nigga. I thought he had something. Man, this is surprising to me. He ain't got nothing. So it's time for me to make a talk and you and him a talk or me and him, you know what I mean? Then cut. Cut. Because woman want a man who's responsible. If you know you're not on the money, you're going to a man and that's all you're going to talk to a woman. That's not in such a glamorous way of living, like want to go restaurants every day, want the most expensive this, the most expensive name brand, this and that, you want a car, you can't afford it, but that's the kind of woman you look. Come on. You know what I mean? You can't afford it, but that's the kind of woman you look. Woman come now, because you look her. Feel I got money, because I feel I'm a gold digger. I want a gold digger. You still have to take care of them because woman need care. So anyway, you take it off, you go spend with them a gold digger, and them not dig no gold, them a dig silver. Then still need to be taken care of. You understand me? You can't dig a gold, you can't find good drawers to put on. You know? You understand me? You have man, and you can't find good drawers. You can't find good brassiere, you can't find good perfume, you can't get a hair done. Every night you turn over with Upesal game, and the result is nothing. You get nothing. Then you make yourself do bad by yourself. And when you are work, it's good to be independent and have your own. And if you're independent of your own and the man come and see my work, Sometimes you go to someone like sitting where like a yarn him live, you buy a film. You see one like sitting out there in buy a film. And when it's time to give you something, when put something in, even though you know say you work, it don't make a difference. Even though you know you work, it doesn't make a difference. It still put something aside and say, babes, this is for you, go and go do so and so. That's how you make your woman feel good. Some of these brokers, nigga, have nothing. And then take the last one they have and pull in woman like you pull in fish. No. You come like I see them there. You come like I see them there and then throw a worm pan a hook and pull the woman them in. And once them pull them in and the woman start to near my risk and think my big time. So woman start to, someone got a restaurant in belly long like a for me, you know. Cause for me got long like a crocus bag. Ma? For me got long like a crocus bag and long more me I go on yam, especially man I can't make on yam. If a man I can't make on yam, I eat breakfast this morning, you know, I go so, me nah yam no breakfast, me nah nothing. The only way me drink a like a tea, keep the gas out of my belly, so my belly stay open. Because when I go, I want to devour. Because money's money I broke. They now the money. They like a shilling and pence for they have to pay them rent and pay them shit. Then I go and pick up woman and a flash in a wallet. And then don't have nothing. And somebody's young girl claims to them pretty. And they're nice, but they make it bad for people like we. They make it bad for people like we. The simple fact why they make it bad for people like we. When the man then start to take out some of them fool. And them body stiff and young, them fool. When the man carry them for go to all the restaurants and carry them a place. Man, I try to trick them, it's about money, man, you know. You understand? Give them like a $500, like a $600, $1,000. Feed them my money, man. Come, let me take you here and eat. You understand me? Then go in a restaurant and take them. I take paper like them too nice. I turn it like a nail polish for the man. Give them money, put on the nail. I go along like them too nice. Because then done there with the man already. And I suck banana. But you know, she say, well, you know, the what the man want him I get. You understand? You're going in a restaurant, go like your tush. Take time, I look on people and I love the small sandwich and I'll just have this and I'll just have, you're lucky. You take your time, you're going out there, you belch yourself, you fart. Just like that. You get a cup of tea and belch your gas in a restaurant first. When you see someone on the table, you're going, you make a man also listen if you let the gas off of my stomach. You let the gas off your stomach, order a cup of tea or a light cup of soup. And then you order what you want to eat. You want the chicken breast, you want the shrimp, you want the fish. You want so on, and you want your salad. And remember, so you have your little slice of cake, and your little ice cream and thing, and come up and maybe a sip of wine. So me not rush it too fast. When a man care out to eat, that's how you eat. You don't go to a restaurant, man, go buy, go eat, and sit down up in your I'll just take this like your aunt. No. So, okay, what kind of tea you have, ma'am? Ma'am, what kind of tea you have? Okay, what you have in a light soup, ma'am? Let me bust the gas. What? Excuse me, ma'am? Bring it to me, ma'am. Let me get a cup of soup first or a cup of tea. I need it, you know, gassy. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'll take the light cup of chicken noodle soup and your drink. Yeah, and the man talk. Especially if they're married and they don't have their wife and their yard already. Their wife, they don't want nobody touch their wife, you know. They don't want a soul touch their wife, trust me. So, you take the menu and you order your food. Order your shrimp. Order your chicken breast, however you want, your fish. Order like a salad on the side. And you eat. If you don't feel well enough, all you have to do, Add a large French fry also. And you look on the menu, take your time and eat. Because if you eat in a rush, your belly will full too quick. Take your time and chew your food and eat. So it take like a time to go right down in your belly. You understand me? So just do that. Anyway. I'm advertising in loud. We're just done. Take your time and clean your throat. Take your time. Don't go ahead and afraid to eat your food around this man because of crutches in my look. And I got one big piece of sitting so now I say. I butter from the seed, it stays so. Like seed, man, it stays so. Oh. Man, I don't know. Peel and see. Yeah. Because the American mango, so you get them sometimes. Right to do me to cut my finger. And so on, you know what I mean? But like I said, you don't go to a restaurant because some man up in a restaurant. Some man up in a restaurant. And it's sour. Young. Seed butter. The sour well. Like I said to you, not going to a restaurant because sound like no idiot. It's young. Going to a restaurant because sound like no idiot. You know, a restaurant and buy two little sin thing. Man, foot up when him big old got big like him pregnant. And him sit down and yam a lot. I full him belly. And when him don't want to get up, go place, go lay up. I look a man for lay up with him when him big old got full up of food. A nice young girl, you're going to sit down with your time. Man, I can't find you going to sit down like you can't eat food. You go in a restaurant, you go to eat. That's why you're in a restaurant, your menu, a lot of food is there. You're not inside a regular kitchen, you cook a meal. You're inside of a restaurant. And you can order. That's the reason why you can order. Because you can order a lot. You know? There's a restaurant you can order a lot, goodie. My piece of my throat in a slide around my throat. Sit down with man. I act like say you can't yam. I feel like that's so young. I'm gonna pick it kind of sour. It was a good idea, name that, but it's too late. Really too late to think about that now. I wasn't alright. Shouldn't peel and stop peeling already. Yeah. When I restaurant go something like I can't friggin' eat, I take time like you're too nice. You're too nice, you know? I can't eat a lot of food because, you know, I'm too nice and I'm pretty and my mouth didn't make to eat a lot. I'm going to take small bites and give me a small plate, please. So I think that nigga gonna have mercy upon your crack, you know? No mercy upon it when you get in there. Don't have mercy upon his wallet and don't have mercy upon the restaurant. Eat your food. I like people who be honest with themselves and eat. I like goodies that eat. It does eat your food. When I say eat bad, but does eat. Eat your food. If you have to eat bad for that one night, you go to the restaurant, you do what you want.